Hello guys, welcome to another episode on Brain Boost channel. Today we are going to be constructing a 60 degree. If you haven't watched our previous videos on how to construct other angles, do well to watch it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. For the meantime, let's get into today's video. You can use any length, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to follow our data by using 80 mm or 8 cm. By the way, this is a cm ruler. So this is our point A, point B. So firstly, constructing a 60 degree is really simple. You just open your compass to any length, then you draw a large arc. Let's name here point C, and we know this is 80 mm. So we take our compass to point C and you arc. We use our ruler and rule through. This is our point D. So now we've achieved our 60 degree. So this is the end of our 60 degree. So